Good morning. It is Friday and I am just about to leave. I ended up not leaving yesterday and I'm leaving today instead. As you can see, my suitcase is back here and all of my stuff is ready to go. So all I have to do is move everything into my car and then I am off. So I won't see this place for 6 weeks. It's a little bit crazy. But I'm super excited and I'm very much ready to hit the road, so let's go. Hello, it's Friday night and we pretty much just blew through Oregon. We didn't really stop anywhere except to get food, but we did drive on the coast after Eugene. So we're actually about 30 minutes to California now, and we're stopping tonight in Crescent City, which is pretty much the northernmost city on the very coast in California. So that's the first stop tonight, and then tomorrow we're driving down to the San Francisco area. I actually bought an iPhone, so I had to pick that up tomorrow at 4 p.m. And then we're spending the day in San Francisco hanging out with my girl Gina. Really no sightseeing today. Pretty much by the time we got to the coast it had just gotten dark, and it's after 8 now, so it's completely dark. It's been dark. We didn't really get to see much of anything, but the drive from Eugene to the coast was super pretty. I just love those like windy roads through the forest, so it was beautiful. Lovely drive. I'll catch up with you guys later tonight or tomorrow morning. Good morning. It is Saturday morning and we are driving down the coast from Crescent City. Sorry the lighting is so weird. It's like really shining bright down here. Anyway, we're pretty much just kind of winging it today. It's already almost 11, so really we're just trying to find a coffee stand and then probably stop in an hour or two and get some lunch and then continue.
Chasing one another, getting lost in another summer. Never wanted it to end. Now I'm losing all my friends. I'm reminded of the pain when I'm on the interstate, me and the moon, and we think of you. Remember when we sat out in the football field, watched the sunset and succumb to all our favorite feels. But somehow I was sad, 'cause I knew that it would end. And I'll go home all alone, but I'd be watched and I'd be warm. I couldn't go to bed, 'cause you were in my head. And then there were two, me and the moon. We're chasing one another, getting lost in another summer. Never wanted it to end. Now I'm losing all my friends. I'm reminded of the pain when I'm on the interstate.
Hello. It is Sunday, November 1st. I can't believe it's already freaking November. I have not done a lot of talking or explanation on this vlog. It is what it is. You get a lot of shots of the scenery and me driving, but I left San Diego this morning and am driving east on the 8 to Arizona. And holy moly, when I left San Diego this morning, I think it was 63 degrees, like a little bit chilly. And now it's 90 degrees. So I literally just had to change my shirt in a McDonald's parking lot. I stopped and got myself some coffee because it's just so hot. Like, it makes me feel drowsy and I just need coffee anyway. But this drive is insane. It's like a totally different environment once you leave San Diego, and it's just these insane rolling mountains and just straight up piles of giant boulders. Like, the desert out here just looks so bizarre. It's seriously just piles of freaking boulders. Fortunately, I made it into the city to get gas. I think I had like 20 or 30 miles left in my tank, so actually like cutting it kind of close, especially for a freeway that doesn't really have that many stops. But I made it at the McDonald's. You know, honestly, not my favorite place, but I needed some coffee. But yeah, gonna get back on the road. It's, I think, 5 hours from San Diego to where I'm staying, but I'm kind of taking my time. I'm not sure how scenic the rest of the drive is, or if there are a lot of places to stop. And if there's anywhere else that I stopped that's interesting, I will show you guys around. One more quick update because I stopped at a rest stop. First of all, holy cow, it's so hot, especially coming from Seattle where it's like 50 degrees out. But second, the drive has been very plain looking until now, because I seriously just fell into like these gigantic sand dunes and it feels like I'm actually in a desert. It's very interesting. Let me see if I can get some of these sand dunes in here, but it's straight up the desert for real. Look at this. Ignore the dumpsters. I'm still at this rest stop, but look at the freaking sand dunes, dude.
On the interstate, me and the moon, and we think of you. Watch me as I fall into the sky. I'm feeling tears, but I didn't wanna cry. Even the bright stars burn out someday. Don't even try. You're just like a butterfly. Your eyes will always catch my eye. And you're perfect, and then you're gone. We're chasing one another, getting lost in another summer. Never wanted it to end. Now I'm losing all my friends. I'm reminded of the pain when I'm on the interstate, me and the moon, and we think of you. When you're not here, I disappear. And the sun is so deceiving, and I'm so used to